everyone, I'm teacher Janelle, and I take no credit whatsoever for the shell game, but I will tell you I had a student who would take his lessons like this. Blah, 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 blah. Next, give me a star.
At. Bing and la la la.
So, shell game, where, you put something under the cup, anything, whatever, it could be even a star, put a sticker inside. I used a soccer ball because I had one, but this boy plays soccer, so I was like, oh, I've got this. Show them. Where's the ball? Mix it up. It doesn't matter if they see you mix it or not. I was like, ask them 1, 2, or 3. Like, find a star. And then go, boom. Nope. Yay! You got it. Star. Or if you need to extend it, because my little boy was like, give me my 5 stars and end this lesson. So I had to make it longer. He got a score sheet. So anyways, I'll show you some videos from my lesson with sweet James.
Hi, James. Hello. Hello. Oh no. James, are you happy?
No, I'm angry.
You are angry. Why? All done being angry? All done? Okay? Okay. Good job, sweetie. Good job. James, let's play soccer. Look, James. Look at the cup. Boop, boop, boop. See? Can you see the cup? Can you see? See the soccer ball?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. James, where is the soccer ball? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. Ah! You did it! Good job. Soccer ball. Bing! Good job! Let's go, James. Ready? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
3. Ah! You are so good! 1, 2, or 3. Where is the ball?
One.
1? Uh-oh. Nope. Where is the ball?
3.
3, maybe. Yeah! 3. Good job. 1?
Yes. Yes.
Unbelievable! Unbelievable! Wow! Look at that! Wow! Wow! Very good!
And how it worked. I hope it works for you too. Good luck. Bye.